In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals in array input method, zero lower key. And zero lower is the / key on your keyboard. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is 06. As you can see on the left hand side, here with a square 0 and end with .6. So here we have 06. On the left hand side, here on the right side, and here at the left bottom. Okay, so for this character, we press the zero lower key and continue in the middle. This is a 3-1, begins with 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal. 3-1 is at 3 upper. And continue, this is a 5 right here, 5-1, 5 upper. And last one, this is a 5-8, 5 lower, and space. Alright, continue. Left upper, we have 1-0, 1 upper. And continue, this is a lid, 7 lid, 7 middle. And these two strokes is 8, so 8 middle. Okay, we've done 3, we go to the last one right here. 0, 6, 0 lower, and space. Alright, next one, left upper, we have square right here, square 0, fundamental key, 0 middle. And continue, this is a 06, 0 lower. Alright, up next, person in the middle, so 8 middle. And last radical right here is .6 and end with 1 horizontal, 6-1, 6 upper, and space. Alright, continue, 08. I'm going to introduce. Let's take a look at the first one. We have this square outside and 8 in the middle, so this character is 4 in Chinese. And this is 08, 0 lower, and space. First one. Continue, these two are exceptions. You see we have vertical inside, but these just looks like this. So exceptions for 08. Okay, so for this one, 08, 0 lower. And continue, we have 1, 0, 1 horizontal, 0 square, 1 upper. And the next stroke is 9, so 9 middle. And the last one is .6 and 8, 6-8, 6 lower, space. Next one, like I said, this exception, 0 lower. And continue, this is a 2-6, 2-6 right here, 2-6, 2 lower. And continue, this exception, 7-1, 7 upper. Okay, and the last one right here, 1-2, 1 upper, and space. Okay, the next 08 is similar like this, only this one does not get through and this one does. Okay, so the first row is 1 horizontal, and the rest is 08, 0 lower, and space. First one. Okay, the next one is a fire on the left hand side. Fire is 2 dots right here, person 8, 8, 8 lower. And the next row right here is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And continue, this is 08, 0 lower. And last one, this is cross 4 and 1 horizontal, 4-1, 4 upper, and space. Okay, the next one, exception. The next two, we have verticals right here, but exceptions just like this one. Okay, so for this one, 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and continue, 08, 0 lower. And last one, this is a 2-1, 2 upper, space. Next one, begin with 1 horizontal, 1 middle. Continue, 0 lower. And last one right here, this is a 7-8, 7 lower, and space. Alright, next one, water. Left hand side, water is 3-8, 3 lower. And the right upper part, you can see square outside, person inside. So this is a 0, 8, 0 lower. And the last one, this is a 717 lit and 1 horizontal, 717 upper space. Okay, the next one you can see here is a square outside and person inside, 0, 8 right here. Okay, left hand side exception 7, 1. And continue, we have a 2, 2 right here. First row, last row, 2, 2, 2, 2 upper. And continue, this is a 0, 8, 0 lower. And the last one right here is 2, 2 again, 2 and 2, 2, 2, 2 upper space. Okay, the next one, the next 0, 8 is right here. We have square right here and 2 dots in the middle. Okay, so left hand side 2, 8, 2 lower. And continue, this is a 4, 8, 4 cross and 8%, 4, 8, 4 lower. And we go back to this square and 2 dots, 0, 8, 0 lower space. Alright, and the next two here, you see the 3 vertical here. So we begin with a square and 3 vertical and then end with 2 dots. So these two are also 0, 8. Okay, for this one is 8, 1, 8 upper first. And continue, we have 0, 8, 0 lower. And we end with this 0, 1, 0 upper space. Next, 2 dots, 8, 8 middle, and 0, 8, 0 lower. And last one, 0, 1, 0 upper, and space. Okay, the last one is a square outside, and we have 9, 8 in the middle, so 0, 8 here. Okay, and begin with 2, 2, 2 upper, and continue with 0, 8, 0 lower. And the last one right here is 2, 2, 2 upper, and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals of the 0 lower key in array input method. And if you have any other questions, you can comment down below. And thanks for watching.